UnRuffledRx Calcium. Calcium deficiency is a common problem seen in all pet birds. It is considered to be a contributing factor in feather plucking, nervous behaviors, and a host of other medical problems. Some of the problems associated with calcium deficiency include egg laying and binding, broken bones, rickets in baby birds, molting difficulties, aggression, twirling and coordination problems, and respiratory problems. African greys tend to be more prone to calcium deficiency than other parrot species. Clinical signs of low calcium levels in African grey parrots may include weakness, ataxia, and seizure activity. If you suspect that your bird may be calcium deficient, consult with your avian vet who can perform lab work for an accurate diagnosis. Home remedies include offering your pet calcium-rich foods such as broccoli, sweet potatoes, mustard and collard greens, okra, and butternut squash. It may be easier to provide your pet with a calcium complete supplement like UnRuffledRx Calcium, Magnesium plus D3, which is blended for maximum bioavailability. Serving a calcium-only supplement isn't sufficient because the body requires other nutrients for proper absorption. We use calcium lactate, a water-soluble powder that works better with water. Magnesium is added since it aids in calcium absorption and helps maintain normal nerve and muscle function. Magnesium also supports the immune system and healthy glucose levels. And finally, vitamin D3 supports healthy calcium levels and it aids in muscle and immune system functioning. Serving up this nutritious supplement is easy. Just mix it with water and serve a couple of times a week according to your vet's recommendations. Get some UnRuffledRx Calcium, Magnesium plus D3 today and watch your bird flourish.